The youth movement is alive and well for the 3-0 Houston Cougars. 8 true freshmen have seen action for U of H, including quarterback John O'Korn, who threw for 281 yards and 3 touchdowns in his first start against Rice.
We want to give him as much time as possible because if we give him the time, he can sling it around, man. He can make all the throws. We've got a bunch of weapons on the outside.
Tyler's Greg Ward made the most of his opportunities under center, rushing for 80 yards and completing all 3 of his passes for 48 yards. Ward's Tyler High School teammate Tyus Bowser, who is also a true freshman, had a huge game against Rice, recording 7 tackles and 2 sacks to go with an interception.
Having those 2 from the same high school, they're great friends, they're roommates, and I think it's unique that it's so hard to play significantly as a true freshman. Here's 2 young men from the same program. Those 2 gave us a spark. What some people may not know or have forgotten about Tyus, a year ago in high school, he was playing quarterback, running back, tight end, receiver, and then defensively outside linebacker, defensive end. Never came off the field, played so many different positions. So now we've got him focused at what we're calling our rush end with Trevor Harris and certainly Eric Island. And the more he plays, the better he gets.
He's so talented. He's probably one of the most athletic guys I've ever seen, out there on the field here since I've been here. So our defense this year is stepping up big time. They're turning the ball over a bunch every game.
Even though true freshmen are not allowed to speak with the media just yet, sophomores can. Wide receiver Deontay Greenberry and running back Ryan Jackson also had huge impacts against the Owls. Greenberry's 146 yards receiving was just ahead of his average of 127 per game this season, which is tops in the American Athletic Conference.
Whenever someone gets hurt, we have guys that we could count on, to get in and make the same, type of plays.
It doesn't matter who we got in the game at any point of time right now because all of us want it, all of us were athletes, and we all can, as long as we're doing our job, we're going to be productive on the field.
Jackson had 87 yards rushing and a touchdown on 19 carries to go with a TD reception as well.
We've got a number of weapons, if you will. And again, I think it's up to our quarterback to understand what the defense has given us and just distribute the ball. Playing freshman is extremely exciting. I think I said this last year when I played in college for Coach Wacker. He always had a saying, the best thing about a freshman is that a year from now he'll be a sophomore. And I think you're seeing that with the Greenberries and the AMACs and guys like that.
Even though junior college transfer Trevor Harris is a junior, he's playing defensive end for the first time in his career. The 6'5", 233-pound defensive end is a converted receiver and recorded 9 tackles against the Owls.
It was a really big transition for me. I actually broke my elbow in training camp in junior college, and then I gained a little bit of weight, and then they said, let's try him at the end, and I was surprisingly good at it.
The University of Houston certainly has something to prove here in 2013, which just so happens to be their motto. The players wear it on their wristbands.
It really speaks for itself, something to prove. We really want to show everybody what we can do, despite being a young team, despite the brand new start.
In Houston, Jeff Power for Fox Sports Southwest.